Hey everyone, and welcome to day 3 of how to be endo free. My god, what the rhymes. So today it's very important day because we gonna talk all about the hormones. And another thing which the doctors are not telling you is that endometriosis is hormonal disorder. That means that every single endo girl has too high estrogen. The doctors will gonna put you on the meds that will control your hormonal levels. Very likely they're going to put you on the contraception pill. But the good news is you can absolutely regulate your hormones naturally without any pills and without any drugs. And how? Listen. And we have the 3 kinds of estrogen: human estrogen, chemical estrogen, and the plant estrogen. And we also have amazing organs that help us to detoxify and eliminate excess estrogen, which is liver, kidney, and our digestive systems. High level of estrogen cause very familiar symptoms, which is PMS, bloating, constipation, tender breast, all that symptoms which you are having because they are symptoms of endometriosis. So what to do and what not to do in order to keep your estrogen low and your hormones happy. This phytochemical contained in the plants and the vegetables that help your body to detoxify excess estrogen. So instead of going to Amazon and buying DIM tablets, go and buy some kale, spinach, avocado, broccoli, or cauliflower. Another thing to keep your hormones happy: coffee out. Coffee promotes the stress response in the body, and stress is linked to estrogen imbalances. And coffee also affects the way how the woman is metabolizing estrogen. So you see, this is another very good reason why coffee should be out. Do you know what else is very good to eliminate the stress? The mindful movement. Seriously, such as yoga. For example, yoga twists are very good way to help your organs to detoxify and work better. That's why a lot of endo girls having amazing results when they combine yoga in their endo diet, because it just helps you to prevent from building up excess estrogen. Another thing which is messing with your estrogen level is alcohol. Alcohol actually changed the way how we metabolize estrogen. Only by removing alcohol, progesterone levels can stabilize and rise again. What do you think? How this estrogen level is when it comes to slim girls and the girls who are a little bit overweight? Like, which one will have a higher estrogen? And I'm gonna tell you, the one of you who are overweight, seriously, estradiol is made in enzymes which are stored by fat. That means the more fat, the more estrogen. But hey, just because you are slim, it doesn't mean that you don't have a lot of fat tissue. I was actually very much shocked when I went to the gym and my personal trainer did the body fat measurements, and I'm small and I'm slim, and it turned out that actually I had more fat than muscles. So here you go. There are also some prescription drugs which are increasing your estrogen level. For example, Zantac, Tomegat, Xanax Valium, antidepressant, Lanoxin Nervask for somebody who had heart-related problems, ketoconazole and metronidazole, which are antibiotics. And by the way, if you had laparoscopy, it's very likely that they flushed your insides with metronidazole, or they prescribed you metronidazole, and they shouldn't, because it's actually rise your estrogen level. So tell me, what is the point to actually remove the endometriosis and then give you meds that will increase your estrogen level so you have more endometriosis? Duh. Another amazing way to take care of your hormonal levels is to synchronize with your infradian rhythm. For those who are working with me, you already know how to do this. For you guys, you have to know that we have 2 rhythms, infradian and circadian. If you don't know what is it, please Google it just now. This is very, very important. And go toxin free. Seriously, clean beauty is the must. And do you remember I told you yesterday that I will show you which cosmetics are making you sick? I will show you how you can actually check it in your home. In average, ordinary woman is dealing with 680 different chemicals, and there's a lot of chemicals which are disturbing hormonal levels. So it will be very wise if you just avoid old plastic altogether, like never microwave ready meals in the plastic container in the microwave. That's very, very bad. Try to don't drink water from the plastic bottles. They are absolutely horrible. I'm having a Brita filter, which is literally game changer for me and for the girls who are in the UK. In Waitrose you can buy big glass bottles and just reuse it all the time after you filter the water. This is what I do. Also be mindful of the toxins in the diffusers, all the sprays. Better to have a candle. And the cosmetics, exactly. Go to your app store now and search for ENCI Beauty. It looks something like this. I know it's going to be diverted for many of you, but I will write it down on the comment section below, so you will be very easy to find it. Download it and just go and scan every single item you have. Is it free and is it very, very easy to use? Basically, when the product is safe and free of the chemicals, it's going to show up in a green color. If it's a little bit dodgy, it's going to show up in orange, but if it's very bad, it's going to show up in red. So ideally, you don't want to put on your skin nothing which is red and orange. Please let me know which cosmetics you had to eliminate and which one was safe. I'm actually making a list for my girls of the safe cosmetics. So if you come across something which is nice and safe to use, please let me know. I'm just gonna drop my email in the comment section below. And this is the revelation. You wasn't born with too high estrogen. Very likely something happened in your life. But the good news is you can regulate this naturally. Please check the description of this video because I'm gonna link 2 other YouTube videos which I'm literally scanning all my cosmetics with this app, so you can see how many very popular cosmetics, which by the way, very likely you are using, I had to bin. And I'm gonna share with you as well 2 other videos which I explain in depth which kind of food to eliminate in order to heal your hormones and how to do it. I hope today was helpful and I hope that you can see a little bit light in the end of this tunnel. I think what we learned today, endo is hormonal related illness, too high estrogen. By eliminating everything which is rising your estrogen and keeping it low, you can put this illness into remission. Girl, it's seriously not that bad. And tomorrow, please join me tomorrow because we're gonna talk all mindset. So if you knew already everything what I said in those 2 days, but you just don't do things, it means that you've got some problem with a mindset. So tomorrow we're gonna talk how to upgrade your healing mindset and what childhood trauma has to do with endometriosis. See you tomorrow. Bye.